Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing us from Group 2 will explain about hard disk. Definition of hard disk. Hard disk drive, or often called a hard disk, is a hardware component as a support for a computer which contains space for storing data or output from data processes carried out by computer and human or brain. This hard disk is non-volatile memory. That is, the data on this type of memory will not be lost even if the device is turned off. Next, we discuss about hard disk function. 1. Save software data. 2. Backup data. 3. Database storage flash. 4. Save data from the operating system or OS. 5. Save various user file. Then discuss about component hard disk. Number 1. Platters. Platter is an important component in a computer system that is used as a data storage medium. Platters are made of hard material such as aluminum, glass, or ceramic, which are then enveloped with a magnetic material that serves to store data on the computer. A large capacity hard drive is usually equipped with more than one platter, which are stacked in the middle of the spindle. Number 2. Spindle. The spindle is the center of rotation of the magnetic disk that stores data. This hard disk component rotates quicker, so it must use high quality bearings. The part of the hard disk that functions as a disk player when the hard disk is operating. If you open the spindle cover, you will see the coil inside several coils of coil cable. Number 3. Actuator arm. The actuator arm is a mechanical arm that moves the head to read or write data on the magnetic disk. This tool is tasked with reading or writing data from or to the hard disk. The part of the hard disk that functions as a mechanical arm that moves to read or write data on the magnetic disk. The material usually used is a strong metal plate. Number 4. Actuator axis. The actuator axis is the axis to be used as a handle or as a robot hand so that the head can read the sector from the hard disk. Number 5. Actuator. The actuator on a hard disk is an important component that functions to move the head to the right position on the magnetic disk when reading or writing data. Number 6. Power connector. Power connector is a pin that connects the motherboard to the power supply in a computer casing. Number 7. SATA connector. Connecting cable between the hard disk and the motherboard to send and receive the latest version of data. Nowadays, the average hard disk uses a SATA system, so it doesn't require a ribbon cable or IDE cable. Number 8. Jumper. Jumpers on hard disk and optical disk are usually used to determine the status of the hard disk or optical disk. Status on the hard disk or optical disk, whether it will be master or slave. Number 9. Read or write head. The function of the read-write head component is to retrieve data from magnetic disk. Then this head can float a very close ordained distance to the magnetic disk.
Then go on to discuss about how hard disk work. On the hard disk, there is a component called a platter which consists of magnetic material. Magnetic force is used in computer strong because in this way data on the computer can be strong even if the device has been turned off. When you save data on a hard disk, the data is not used written directly to the platter. The data is stored very neatly of the platter pattern. The data bits are arranged constantly and constantly, which are then referenced to as tracks. Each track is broken down in small, clean stores, so we can store a lot of data information on the hard disk even though its size is relatively small. Then we discuss about type of hard disk. 1. ATA ID hard disk. ATA Advanced Technology Assessment and ID and said intelligence driven electronic. Hard disk are the strengths user for a bus connection based information. 2. SCSI hard disk small computer system interface. This hard disk runs very active disk drive simultaneously. 3. RAID hard disk reduced array of independent disks. This hard disk is strong and reliability in storing valuable large file. 4. SATA hard disk serial advanced technology attachment. This hard disk only uses 2-3 of the ATA. This hard disk also has high speed because it has the ability to reduce length of delay. SSD hard disk solid state drive. SSD hard disks already use computer memory or a USB drive.
As for the history of the hard disk, the first hard disk was made by IBM International Business Machine Corporation in 1956, weighing 500 kg, which could only accommodates 5 megapixels. Of course, this storage media requires a compressed air compressor, and of course, it still cannot be used at home. In the past, hard disks were rented to companies for a certain period of time at fairly expensive rental price of $5,000 per month. However, as time went by, IBM released a product called IBM on 1311 on October 11 on 1962 with a storage capacity of $2 million characters on this package. Then in 1973, IBM began programming Winchester with permanently mounted rotating platters. However, this did not go smoothly because it caused debate because the loading mechanism was problematic. In the year 1979, the 8-inch Winchester approached phrase as in the industrial world, but with it is still heavy and expensive. The price is about €1,000 per MB. The development of hard disks continued in the years. On 1980, Seagate launched the first hard disk measuring 5.25 inch with ST506 at price of around $1,000. Next, Seagate launched the Maxtor VL hard disk for $320,492 with a fairly large capacity of 120 GB. Development continued until in 2007 Hitachi launched the Dexter 7K 1000 with a capacity of 1000 GB or terabyte.
Capacity of the type of hard disk: ATA or AIDE hard disk. ATA is an abbreviation of Advanced Technology Attachment, and AIDE is an abbreviation of Enhanced Integrated Driver Electronic. This hard disk has a larger size than other hard disks. The capacity size of the hard disk are 10 GB, 20 GB, 40 GB, 80 GB, 100 GB, 160 GB, 250 GB, 320 GB. 2. SGSI hard disk is an abbreviation of Small Computer System Interface. This type of hard disk is usually used for server computer because server computer require faster data access compared to ordinary computers. The capacity of this type of hard disk ranges from 160, 250, 320, 500, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and even 5 terabyte. RAID hard disk is an abbreviation of Redundant Array of Independent Disks. RAID 0. RAID 0 use maximum hard disk space because 3 is not data redundancy. RAID 0 has more speed because it more perform to hard disk combined. RAID 1. RAID 1 only use half the space because the second drive is used for redundancy. Verified that both hard drives must be the same size. RAID 2. RAID 2 also use a stripping system. However, 3 more hard disks were added for variety hemming, so the data became more reliable. Therefore, the minimum number hard disks required is 5 n plus 3 n.
Next, RAID 3. RAID 3 also use a stripping system. Also use an additional hard disk for reliability, but only adds another hard disk for variety. Therefore, the minimum number of hard disks needed is 3, n plus 1 or n more than 1. The last hard disk is used to store the parity of the calculation result for each bit on the other hard disk. Next, RAID 4. The same as the RAID 3 system, but use the parity of each hard disk block, not bits. The minimum hard disk requirement is also the same, 3, n plus 1 or n more than 1. Next, RAID 5. RAID 5 is the most popular level use of server today. With RAID 5, we can have performance and efficient use of space. In RAID 5, redundancy is distributed among the all drives. The minimum number of all drives that can be used in RAID 5 is 3. Next, RAID 6. RAID 6 is basically the same as RAID 5, with the difference that 2 drives can be done on the same time instead of just 1. The minimum number of drives that can be used with RAID 6 is 4.
Next is RAID Z. RAID Z are invention of Sun Microsystem. RAID Z has all the benefits of RAID 5 and other features that make it far superior. As with RAID 5, RAID Z can support multiple hard disks working together and a single disk for redundancy. The minimum number of hard disks is 3 and only one can be down at the time. If more than one hard disk fails at the same time, then we risk data loss. RAID Z2. RAID Z2 is almost identical to RAID Z and similar to RAID 6. In RAID Z2, even though two hard disks can go down at the same time, the data will remain safe and easy to access. Just like RAID Z, RAID Z2 is far superior to RAID 6 because it has many other features. The minimum number of drivers to use RAID Z2 is 4. RAID 10. RAID 10 is a combination of RAID 1 plus RAID 0. That's why it can provide optimization for fault tolerance, where RAID 0 has more spin because it's more space for two hard disks combined, while RAID 1 provides this mirroring is for redundancy. In some cases, RAID 10 offers faster than RAID N versus and RAID 5 because it not need managed party. The minimum hard disk that can be used is 4 hard disks.
Next, SATA hard disk is an abbreviation of Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. SATA hard disks have better capabilities compared to IDE hard disks because their access speed is higher compared to IDE hard disks. SATA type hard disks have capacities of 80 GB, 120 GB, 160 GB, 250 GB, 320 GB, 500 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB. Some of the most common hard disk storage capacities are 60 GB, 32 GB, and 64 GB. This hard disk capacity range is in the lowest group, typically found in older and smaller devices. 120 GB and 256 GB, this range of hard drive size is generally considered entry level for HDD device such as laptop or computer. 500 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB, this hard drive storage has a capacity of around 500 GB, often considered a decent standard for the average user. More than 2 TB hard drive larger than 2 TB are suitable for users who have files of high size and resolution.